Hi everyone, this is Julie Davidsey and I'm going to show you how to use your My Digital Studio and import your non-Stampin' Up! Components. I'm using my Mac here, so it may be a little bit different with Windows, but start out with your Finder folder and then go to your Applications. That's where your My Digital Studio file should be. Then go to your Components file, and you can see all of your different components, your embellishments, your backgrounds, your stamps, punches, all that. We're going to go to our backgrounds, and then Designer Series Paper. Then you can't see it at the top, but I'm going to my File menu and clicking New Folder. And then I'm going to go ahead and just name this non-SU paper, so I know what to look for when I'm importing things. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for my embellishments. You can do this for any of them. I'm just going to show you the two, the papers and embellishments. So to go up to your file again and New Folder, and then you can rename it non-SU embellishments. Okay, now I've got a file that I have when I download anything that has to do with scrapbooking or stamping or digital crafting, I have it in my file in my documents. So I'm going to go there, and that's where I'm going to import everything from. So I just have a couple of things because I've already downloaded most of it into my Digital Studio. I'm just going to show you a couple of them. So you go to your file that you have all your components in, and I'm just going to grab this one. It's a PNG file, so that means it's going to go into your embellishments folder. So I'm going to drag it over and go to your applications. You're going to just drag it along. You're going to find your My Digital Studio file, hover, then you're to your components, and then your embellishments, and then you're going to find your non-SU embellishments and just drop it in. And there you've got it right there. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the paper. So you go back to your document file. I'm going to take this little zebra, and it's a JPEG file, so that's going to go into your papers, your background papers, your DSP. So applications, again, hover, My Digital Studio, components, make sure it highlights it, background, and then Designer Series paper, and then non-SU paper, and just drop it in. Then you'll be able to find that in your file also. Okay, now that we're in My Digital Studio, you can go to your Designer Series paper file, and as you scroll through, you'll be able to find your non-SU papers. And then I can go and find my zebra orange, add as a page layer, and then I can adjust the size just like the other papers. I can zoom in and zoom out with your just like the others, and I can also recolor. So I'm going to change the color to black. All right, now you can do your embellishment. Your embellishments, and then you can go scroll down and find non-SU embellishments. This cute little rhinestone heart, and I can adjust that also, and also recolor. Use that to pink. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at stampinjewel@cox.net, or you can also follow me on my blog at stampinjewel.blogspot.com. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.